Hello, everybody, and welcome. Well, last time we left you taking a tour of Denmark's only medieval castle, or oldest medieval castle, at Spotrup, and a jolly good time was had by all. We then moved on from there, taking a tour all the way across Jutland, all the way down to Denmark's second city, Aarhus, where we were staying in a marina, which was rather nice. So this is out the back of the marina, and we thought we'd show you this, because if you stand about here, it's really nice. It looks rather nice. There's benches, etc., etc. You can sit up here and have a beer, which is rather nice. It's still blowing a hoolie. The only trouble is when you come up top, right up the top of it. Yes. It's a little bit industrial. I always thought they were sort of left over from the Romans' temples, them things. Thought they were going to build a Roman temple out here. But it's still not bad. You just have to sort of look past like that. Well, sort of look past like that. That'll do. And it is very, very nice. What was it? Marselisborg? Marselisborg Havn. And the Havn is actually round over there. You can't see it from here, but it's behind all those trees and bushes and whatnot. And if you pan round a bit more, I don't know if this will work because the sun is right at us. There's all the mohos. It's crammed in between the boats, as they've said. El Queen. Quite why she's there, I don't know. Thing round, you can see a bit more of the marina, and it is very, very nice place.
Nice Sunday morning.
It is. Right, we're on. There's the Esco
bar. The old Latin quarter in Aarhus.
Aarhus.
On Jutland. Up towards the Kirkmeister.
Oh God, you have picked it all up.
It's not easy when the word for road, which is spelled V-E-J, is pronounced W.
I shall forward your complaints to the Danish consulate.
It's not really complaints, it's more about, oh my God, where on earth are we? It's quite difficult sometimes to get sat nav's interpretation of the place name to see.
There we go, heading towards the church. I've no idea what the name of the road is, but we've just passed the Tokyo Booze House, which sounds pretty good to me. Very, very nice. Very tall, very well built. I have no idea whose it is or when it was built. We shall endeavour to find out. I bet there was 1,001 people outside it. Wow. It's pretty big, and that's what we're missing the other way. And there's the other end of it with a nice clock on the end, and it keeps going up. It's quite a tall building. As you said, give you an idea. Try and get the pole out of the way. More little roads with lots of little cafes. Very nice. Whoops, just tripped over the cobblestones. And obviously that's the place to be because everybody's there. And there's the old church again. There you go. More of Aarhus. It's round, and there's the front of said church, and that tower goes up for miles. I don't know. A pretty large walnutty thing, I suppose. It just looks like a giant walnut from the outside. I thought that was another canal down there, but it's, oh it is. Oh, okay. Oh.
In Birmingham.
Yeah. Well, it's a canal with shops, so yes. And on to the side, quick squint over to the side. Tell you what, you need some pretty small narrow boats to get under them.
Yeah.
Crikey. I thought they were going to jump at first. I don't know. One wonders. It's an observation tower of some description, I expect. we're scoffing a burrito, as you do, in the street food market. Quite nice. Food from all around the world. Here we go. All the walk down to the marina.
About 3 kilometres walking.
My little leggies ache.
Because we don't like fast life.
Yes.
And the only one who can walk like 4 times
I need to be topped up with to the fridge and back, yes. That's where I need to be topped. Quite nice little place. Aarhus. The street food market.
Really nice food.
Yep.
Very popular on a Sunday lunch.
Very popular. Prices of the beer though, not so good. Not so good.
£9
Mortgage.
£9 a pint a bit.
Yeah. Well, it's probably £9 for half a pint.
Well, yeah, probably, yeah.
You know, it's a bit of mortgage country.
If it's somewhere really pretty to sit and have a beer, it's okay.
Yeah.
I know it was £7 a pint in York.
Yeah.
Oh, for spoons, when it's £1.59 for a pint of bitter.
It's £1.79, dear. And you drink the stuff that's £3,
no,
you exorbitant.
I'm on the £1.99 glass.
I'm on the £1.79 bitter. And jolly pleasant it is. It breaks my heart when it runs out and I have to order a Doom bar at £2.26. It's awful. And everyone's going to think we're really tight, but actually we're frugal. The less we spend, the longer we stay out.
Absolutely.
And that's it. Get the big fish, because we missed him last time.
We did.
There he is.
Actually, he's a mermaid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Me, it was a fish. Oh dear.
I feel it's a mermaid. Oh, it's mermaid Marie.
And around there, the bad cafe.
No, no, it's the boat cafe.
Something tells me they should talk to their marketing people. It's the one thing about Denmark. Very nice, but windy. Good grief, enough to blow your wig off. Yeah. Oh, there's my boat again. I told him not to bring it over here. I don't know. Because I'm showing the walk back to the van and how far it is to justify me having a beer when I get there. I should think it pumps the weight up. I should think it pumps the weight up.
Yeah. Smaller now. Maybe not.
You wanted to see the jellyfish and the crabs again. Wasn't it down here somewhere? A few more jellyfish? It is clear, isn't it? I will definitely try not to.
Yeah, it's these stalks.
Oh well. Mine don't. Because I've got my new Danish super shoes.
You did tread in that puddle.
Well, whose fault is that? I didn't ask you to tread that puddle. Well, I know it was your fault. It's always your fault. What, the big red one? Well, that didn't have wheels. Yes.
No, it didn't, but I'm thinking about size.
Had tracks. Yeah. Yeah, probably is. And there we go.